Our planet is full of wonders, but one place remains shrouded in mystery: the Mariana Trench. It's a realm of absolute darkness and crushing pressure, more alien than the surface of the moon. This deep scar in the Pacific Ocean is Earth's last great frontier. For centuries, sailors crossed these waters unaware of the vast abyss below. Even today, the trench is a world hidden from the sun, where life follows rules we barely understand. We've mapped Mars in greater detail than our own ocean floor. The trench is a symbol of the unknown, a challenge to our courage and curiosity. Every discovery here leads to more questions. The darkness is intimidating, the pressure terrifying, but the possibility of discovery is irresistible. What secrets lie in its depths? What forms of life endure such extremes? The Mariana Trench is not just a geographical feature, it's a reminder of how much of our planet is still unexplored. It pulls at our desire to explore, to push beyond the edge of what we know. Here in the silent black water lie secrets we're only beginning to uncover. The trench is a final, dark corner of our world, waiting for us to look inside. It is Earth's ultimate mystery, daring us to dive deeper. The Mariana Trench lies east of the Mariana Islands, hidden beneath the Pacific's waves. It's a crescent-shaped scar, stretching over 1,500 miles. Formed by subduction, where the Pacific Plate dives beneath the Mariana Plate, it's the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. Its deepest point, Challenger Deep, plunges nearly 11,000 meters, so deep that Mount Everest would disappear beneath the waves. Descending into the trench is like entering a world turned upside down, a mountain range in reverse. Light fades quickly. Soon, all is black and cold. This is the Midnight Zone, a realm of perpetual darkness and near-freezing temperatures. The water here is ancient, isolated from the surface for millennia. The trench is not a simple valley, it's a complex landscape of seamounts and hydrothermal vents. Each new expedition reveals new formations and surprises. The seafloor is still largely unmapped, a testament to the challenge of exploring such depths. The trench is a time capsule, holding clues to Earth's history and the origins of life. Exploring it is like visiting another planet. Its mysteries remain vast and largely untouched. The greatest challenge in the trench isn't darkness or cold, it's pressure. At Challenger Deep, pressure exceeds 1,000 times that at the surface, over 8 tons per square inch. That's like 50 jumbo jets pressing down on a single person. Most submarines would be crushed long before reaching these depths. For years, scientists believed nothing could survive here. The pressure destroys proteins and cell membranes, life must adapt or perish. Yet the trench is not empty. Life here has evolved ingenious ways to endure. Organisms have unique proteins and flexible bodies to withstand the crushing force. The pressure shapes everything: what can live, how it lives, and how it evolves. The trench is a brutal test of survival, but life has found a way. Each creature here is a masterpiece of adaptation. The deep ocean is not a dead zone, but a realm of resilience. The pressure, once thought insurmountable, is simply a fact of life for its inhabitants. The trench proves that life can thrive in the most extreme conditions. Against all odds, the Mariana Trench teems with life, strange, resilient, and fascinating. Amphipods, shrimp-like scavengers, thrive here, feeding on organic matter drifting down from above. The Mariana snailfish, ghostly and translucent, survives thanks to its gelatinous body, perfectly adapted to the pressure. These fish are the deepest living ever discovered, moving gracefully through the darkness. Larger creatures like bizarre sea cucumbers also roam the seafloor. Food is scarce, so animals move slowly and have large mouths to seize any meal. Some create their own light, bioluminescence, to attract prey or mates. Every expedition uncovers new species, from single-celled foraminifera to bacteria feeding on chemicals from the Earth's crust. The trench's biodiversity is still a mystery, with each discovery revealing new survival strategies. Life here is not just surviving, it's thriving in a complex ecosystem. These creatures have evolved in isolation for millions of years. The abyss is alive, a testament to nature's creativity. The more we explore, the more we realize how little we know. The trench is a place of silence, yet sometimes it's anything but quiet. Scientists have recorded mysterious sounds like the Western Pacific biotwang, whose source remains unknown. Could it be a new species of whale or something even stranger? These sounds remind us how little we know about the deep sea's inhabitants. But not all discoveries are natural. Human trash, like plastic bags, has been found at the trench's bottom. Even the most remote places are touched by our actions. The trench reflects both nature's wonders and our impact on the planet. Each new sound or artifact deepens the mystery. The deep is more connected to our world than we think. Its secrets are worth uncovering and protecting. The trench's mystery fuels wild theories, giant sea creatures, secret bases, even lost civilizations. While science fiction captures our imagination, reality is just as fascinating. The discovery of giant squid proves the ocean can hide enormous life. Some speculate about hidden human activity, but the crushing pressure makes it unlikely. Myths of ancient cities or intelligent life in the deep persist, reflecting our curiosity. The trench is a stage for both natural wonder and human imagination. Scientists focus on what can be proven: geology, biology, and the origins of life. Studying the trench helps us understand Earth and the possibility of life elsewhere. It's a natural laboratory for answering some of science's biggest questions. The truth within its depths may be more incredible than any fiction. For most of history, the trench was unreachable. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh became the first to descend to Challenger Deep in the Trieste. Their risky journey proved humans could reach the ocean's deepest point. Over 50 years passed before James Cameron made a solo descent in 2012. His deep-sea Challenger submersible spent hours on the bottom, capturing stunning images and samples. Cameron described a desolate lunar landscape, no monsters, just amphipods and silence. These missions are heroic feats of engineering and courage. Each descent adds to our understanding but only scratches the surface of this vast world. The trench remains largely unexplored, its secrets waiting in the darkness. Human journeys here reignite our passion for discovery. They show what's possible when curiosity meets determination. The explorers' time below was brief, but their impact is lasting. The story of the trench is still being written, the greatest mysteries are yet to be revealed. We've glimpsed the trench's depths, but its greatest mysteries remain. For every answer, new questions arise. What other life forms exist? What causes the strange sounds? The trench is a symbol of how much we still have to learn about our own planet. The deep sea is Earth's largest habitat, yet we've seen only a fraction. Exploring the trench challenges our technology and imagination. It reminds us of nature's power and life's resilience. The abyss teaches humility and respect for the unknown. The call to explore is part of who we are. The journey into the deep has just begun. The greatest discoveries still await us in the darkness below.